generation that's never known a world without smartphones. But the competition isn't just the student next to them, but the entire globe. Namaste everyone. I'm KN Sri Harini of class 12C, studying in DAV Girls Senior Secondary School, Gopalapuram. And welcome to the world of Generation Alpha, where learning has taken on entirely new meanings. There was a time when academic marks alone were enough to secure a high-paying job. But now, in the era of technology and artificial intelligence, marks have just become one aspect of what matters in an interview. The India's unemployment rate has seen an increase from 5.4% in 2016 to 9.2% in 2024. This increase is linked with economic shifts, technological advancements, increase in wars, and a decrease in the GDP of the country. Companies are now expecting a wide range of skills to be possessed by the candidates to offer them a position in their esteemed organization. But the real question is, are we all aware of these essential skills? Are we all aware of the intense competition around us? The answer, unfortunately, is no. This is the need of the hour. Everyone must be aware of these essential skills to thrive and succeed in our rapidly developing society. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you all to my concept, the elevated learning experience. The principle of the elevated learning experience is to make sure that everyone interested in the fields of IT and finance are completely aware of the current trends and the technological advancements in their field, help them achieve their goals and dreams, and most importantly, enhance their lives and livelihood. In the elevated learning experience, we are offering a wide range of courses for high school students and also for the college graduates in IT and finance. We offer life skills for the students of classes 10 to 12, IT job skills, and also financial technology. In the first course offered for the students of classes 10 to 12, we will be covering a wide range of topics which will help them equip with the essential life skills. These include life assessment, stress management, time management, communication mastery, financial literacy, technological savvy, leadership skills, and also critical thinking. These skills will help them boost their productivity, reduce stress, and also enhance their communication and presentation abilities. These competencies will prepare the students for academic success and future career advancements. In our second course, offered for the college graduates with aspirations of working in multinational corporations, we cover both hard and soft skills. Under hard skills, we cover technical writing, social media proficiency, coding skills, and cybersecurity awareness. Under the soft skills training, we teach them effective communication and team collaboration, innovative and critical thinking, project management and leadership skills, and also user-centric approach. We will also guide them to create a standout resume which will both be attractive and job-worthy. These skills will make sure that they get placed in their dream jobs. In the third course, offered for the students who aspire to be accountants, we will be teaching them the technologies used in the fields of finance. These include ERP tools, or also called as enterprise resource planning tools, cloud computing, and finally, BI tools are also called as business intelligence tools. These technologies will make the job of the accounting professionals more easier and efficient. Now, moving on to my implementation strategy. To make sure that everyone are aware of the elevated learning experience, we will be creating campaigns in the rural areas to highlight the importance of these essential life skills and also to encourage the parents to enroll their children in these courses. Students interested in enrolling can easily register through our official website, which will be developed before launching the idea. These courses will take place as weekend sessions over the course of a year. During these weekend sessions, the students will be taught by the IT professionals from the funding private companies and also by the volunteers from the NGO. Starting the following year, the alumni of the Elevated Learning Experience will also indulge in teaching and educating as many students as possible. This will make sure that a greater number of students benefit from these courses. Now, let's see how we will be collecting the funds. We will actively seek support from government grants and corporate sponsorships. We also aim to partner with NGO to make sure that many students are benefited from these courses and also to enhance the quality of our program. It is a priority to make sure that the fee is affordable so that high quality education is available to all those students from different backgrounds. The students will receive a certificate globally recognized, which will make sure that their job prospects are enhanced throughout the world. So, how will these courses enhance livelihood? Let me tell you, as acquiring and mastering these skills will strengthen the resume of the candidate, thereby fulfilling the expectations of the candidates, of the companies. If the skills are aligned with the market demands, they can achieve many great success in their profession and also achieve the financial stability. This will improve their lives and livelihood. So, what inspired me to develop this idea? This is not just my personal goal, but this is a vision that many institutions share, including YDAP. The Indian NGO CRIBE, Children Rights and You, exemplifies this commitment by helping the children across the states reconnect with their studies and build their confidence to return to school. A remarkable amount of rupees 2 crores 45 lakhs 60,326 rupees has been donated to this esteemed organization, which has positively impacted more than 30,000 children. The NGO's goal, vision, along with its profound impact in the society is truly inspiring for me. Together, there are also additional programs and organizations like the Kushal Foundation, Bhumi, and the Akanksha Foundation, which also help the children with the same vision and passion. Together, we can change the lives of millions through this initiative. The elevated learning experience is the key to unlocking the success and the freedom to those with huge dreams and boundless passion. Let's unite together and make this initiative true and save and enhance the livelihoods of many children. Better livelihoods are born from knowledge, opportunities, and hard work. Thank you.